Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the cast. Make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi. Many problems come from mismatched bands, so check too. 4 versus 5 GHz. Then enable the TV's casting input or plug in the Chromecast/HDMI dongle. Power and input must be correct. On your Realme, open Settings, then Bluetooth and Connection, and tap Cast or Smart View. Wait, you should see available devices listed. If you see the TV name, tap it to start negotiation. Once done, authorize the connection on both ends and adjust practical settings. On the TV, accept the pairing prompt so the stream begins. Some TVs require you to confirm device permissions. On the Realme, set orientation, and if available, a lower resolution to improve smoothness. This reduces bandwidth and CPU load. Make sure screen timeout is disabled temporarily. Also, close background apps that might steal CPU or network. These steps reduce stutter and prevent unexpected disconnections during playback. To finish, stop casting from the phone's cast icon or return to settings, right arrow cast, and tap disconnect. The TV will return to its previous input. If the connection drops or quality is poor, restart Wi-Fi on both devices or reboot the phone and TV. Many transient issues clear that way. If wireless casting repeatedly fails, switch to a wired HDMI adapter for a stable, low-latency link. Quick troubleshooting tip. Check for system updates on the phone and TV because compatibility fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.